Hello guys, we are from the Supra group for in the class of 6P SIB. Today we will present the Indonesia COVID-19 dashboard from 2020 till 2022 analysis. Our group is contained of Daniel Law, Hendy, Philander, Ricky, Skyner, and me myself, Willie. The problem analysis. The COVID-19 pandemic requires accurate and timely data for effective public health decisions in Indonesia. Challenges, data availability and accuracy. Inconsistent data reporting affects comprehensive analysis. Secondly, data integration. Combining data from multiple datasets on Kaggle can be complex. 3. Effective visualization, presenting complex data in user-friendly manner.
Next is business process. There are 6 steps. First step is data collection. Download and aggregate COVID-19 data from Kaggle. Step 2 is data storage. Importing data into Power BI for processing and visualization. Step 3, data processing. Cleaning and transforming data within Power BI using Power Query. Step 4, data analysis. Developing data models and perform analysis in Power BI. Step 5, data visualization. Create interactive dashboards in Power BI. Step 6, reporting and distribution. Publishing and sharing dashboards using Power BI service. Next is data relationship. There is only one dataset used in this project, hence there are no relationships. And the other image is the table view from Power BI desktop.
And now I'm gonna explain about our dashboard display. In the first page contain the overview of whole dashboard, which have cards that show data related to case, death, and recovered. Bar graph that show that data relate to fatality and recovered rate. And line chart that show total case, death, and recoveries over time. And then the second page contain provincial analysis, a table that show the data in detail, also a tree map that show total case by provinces, and stack area chart that shows data related to case, death, and recovered by provinces.
Case, death, recovery, new case, death, and recover from cards. A table and map that show total case per province and stack column chart that show total case, death, recovery by province. This we can see in dashboard display. Next, we continue with the KPI or Key Performance Index. Key metrics in this key metrics are the key metrics provide a snapshot of COVID-19 covering total and new case, death, recovery, and active case. They highlight percentage of new case, death, recovery, and the fatality and recovery rates. And here we have a line chart. The line chart tracks the trend of COVID-19 case, death, and recovery over time, helping to visualize the progression of the pandemic across province. And the last we have the bar chart. The bar chart displays the fatality, recovery, and total death rates by province, giving a comparative view of how different regions are affected.
Key Performance Index. First, I will explain the key metrics. So, the key metrics provide a snapshot of COVID-19 covering total and new cases, deaths, recovery, and active cases. They highlight percentage of new cases, death, recovery, and the fatality and recovery rates. Next, the line chart. So the line chart track the trend of COVID-19 cases, death, and recovery over time, helping to visualize the progression of the pandemic across provinces. So the last is bar charts. The bar chart display the fatality, recovery, and total deaths rates by province, giving a comparative view of how different regions are affected. So the next part will explain. So the next part will explain with my friends. Thank you.
Performance index, in which we have now first is key metrics. Quick summaries of current COVID-19 metrics includes cases, deaths, recoveries, new cases, new deaths, new recoveries. The key metrics here shows the same data as overview page. As you can see, the first row above is the key metrics. Second, we have key map, heat map on the right side, which provides a visual summary of COVID-19 cases distribution and highlighting provinces with varying levels of infection intensity. The one shown with circle with infrared area color on the circle. And the left side we have table which offers a breakdown of cumulative COVID-19 cases across different provinces, facilitating detailed analysis and comparison. Lastly, we have below part which is stacked column chart. This enables comparison of COVID-19 outcomes, which includes cases, deaths, and recoveries across provinces over time, also aiding in understanding regional trends and impacts. And thank you for listening to our presentation.